Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to have a look at this very beautiful vintage Seiko quartz watch. This is a vintage, most likely 2001 ladies piece, which as you can see is in very good condition. The watch crystal is almost immaculate, so as you can see there are no visible scratches. Also, the watch comes on the original bracelet. You can see that it has a very small curvature when it is being left just like this. The bracelet is a little bit heavy because it is most likely stainless steel. It has a gold tone color, as you can see here all over the watch, and there are very few signs of aging, so you can see very small pieces where you can see a little bit of decoloration. The watch has the hour hand and the minute hand. It doesn't feature a seconds hand. As you can see, you can pull the crown to the last position in order to set the time, and then simply push it all the way back in order to set the time. As you can see, we have here the stainless steel back. We have the movement that is Japanese, so a Seiko movement, and also the serial number that most likely tells us that this is from 2001. The watch will come with a brand new watch battery installed by our watchmaker, and it keeps perfect accurate time. So these vintage 90s 2000 Seiko watches are very accurate because they have the quartz movements, and as you might know, Seiko is maybe the best manufacturer when it comes to quartz movements. So guys, if you want to check out the watch on our website, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. We have a large selection of vintage 80s, 90s, 2000 Seiko watches, so make sure to check them out. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.